Mandakasngi Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills wa Abilash Baran wa Hiar Shawa o Kalia kemudian kebentar wa Umkhrah ban pe iklan ganti kemno ban Pynkhuid yakani ka wa jabo tasam rasanan lang kilang ba shnong badon saudong ketika than o Kalia kumna nong mensong Rynjain pring lapalang ban o Kalia nor majestic he plit kerenja ban nong mensong ki plit ne kali ki officer na Shlong municipal boot namo pat committee and rural development block but kumju na Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board rengkat cooperation clean up Shillong udisi ruang ba kajingat jurip krong ban yo i kumnu kajingang jiman syua ban Shim nik Sienjam ban yada na kajingja bo jeng kawa kawa basa bun kisnong hakano ba Shillong long ba sian sakot ya kajinglang ha office tekam jeng ban on sasna ya standard operating procedure ban khanglat i pai ba ban penjabo ya kawa onra dep ban Pynkhuid biang sa sin ha kan ni jina jurip kini kam sinong bat ki kato kan ni ki seng trai ban su ba ga ajing mo to ha disi halo kumno ban yada na jing jabo kan ka wa ki ajing mo to ban Shim dikilat batang ban khanglat na jing tulong ki broi gate jaka ko tem syong re dengan ban le ki kam jabo.
So we had gone to we had conducted one joint inspection of Urkalyar along with the headmen of nearby localities like Umkhrah, Lapalang, Nongminsong, etc. Simultaneously, we had called people from MSPCB, people from Operation Clean Up Shillong, and other agencies, MBMA as well. The idea was for me to see the first, to observe what is happening at Urkalyar in terms of especially the river pollution, and accordingly it was decided that we'll call a meeting at my level in my office and including all stakeholders wherein an SOP will be drafted. We will work out how each stakeholder is onboarded so as to make sure that the river gets cleaned up.
Okay, it's all right. So what I'll do is I'll call a meeting in my office.
Yes, sir.
Starting from your office, that's better than
I'm
you
starting
go to
from
the
our
site.
office, yes.
Then
I feel that's better.
But then I wanted to see for myself that what kind of pollution is coming also, because I should also not be chairing the meeting and without having any knowledge about it.
better start from there, sir.
Stay one morning, we'll go along right from top to down.
Yes, sir.
Spend some time on the
Because
top, maybe. And then after
GTC also you have to take them in boat,
GTC,
sir.
okay.
Because
call
the
everybody.
river comes from there,
So let's
from
do one
there
thing
end.
that is why.
Not even GTC, even this army here nearby also. I used to see them dumping the
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We have the influence